Good evening to you. We are hearing tonight from Arizona Governor Doug Ducey for the first time after a judge struck down laws that would have prevented schools and local governments from requiring masks in class. Once again, glad to have you with us. I'm Jenny Day.
Now, Madonna Albright, under the governor's order, there had been a ban on making masks mandatory again until now. He spoke at a National Governors Association conference earlier this evening.
This was at the Superior Court level. We also have an appellate court and a Supreme Court, and they will have their say.
Governor Doug Ducey says he's talking to his council about the next steps, but just today the state Supreme Court doubled down on that decision, once again making it legal for schools to require masks.
Cody Lee picks up our coverage from here.
Many Yuma County school districts highly recommend the use of masks indoors as well as physical distance, but they don't require it, even though some Phoenix and Tucson schools do. The laws would have made enforcing masks in school illegal, but this week's ruling states that schools can do what they want and say the previous laws were unconstitutional, meaning if they do want to enforce a mask mandate, they won't get into any legal trouble.
It would be dangerous to think that all communities are the same, right? We have different levels of COVID, different instances, different hospitalization numbers in different communities. So I think putting a ban on that in all communities it's just dangerous.
Carol Smith is a local nurse.
One of them chooses to wear his mask now, and the other one, she's, a little bit more lackadaisical about it.
But most importantly, this nurse is also a mom.
If I ask them to wear a mask, or if the school district asks them to wear a mask, if they trust me and they trust the people that are guiding them every day, that we're aiming to get our own sense of normalcy back.
Republican Attorney General Mark Brnovich requested to have this week's ruling put on hold, but the Arizona Supreme Court ruled against that.
They refused to render a decision on blocking it. And they will look at it on Monday.
The Arizona ruling also struck down a number of non-virus provisions that were slipped into the state budget. State Representative Charlene Fernandez says these provisions were never even brought up for discussion at the Capitol.
We didn't discuss it. We didn't debate on it. We didn't hear from teachers or parents. It was like they just stuck it in the budget. And the reality is this is no way to run a government.
And some school districts across the state have gone against Governor Ducey's laws even before it was ever brought up in court, including Arizona Western College that imposed a mask mandate for indoor activities. Reporting in Yuma, Cody Lee, News 11. Back to you.
Cody, thank you.